If you're working with limited space or just need a little extra mixing power every so often, then the Artisan Series Mini Stand Mixer might be the right choice for you. With its 3.5 quart bowl, the Artisan Mini Stand Mixer yields about 5 dozen cookies on average. Shorter and lighter than other models, this versatile appliance packs lots of power into a relatively small footprint, making it the ideal apartment stand mixer. The Artisan Mini Stand Mixer also comes standard with a flex edge beater to help reduce mixing time. And despite its size, the Artisan Mini Stand Mixer can transform into over 10 different culinary instruments using powered hub attachments. Small but strong, the Artisan Mini Stand Mixer lets you clear your countertops without compromising on mixing power. There's a KitchenAid stand mixer for every maker's unique needs. Find yours at KitchenAid.com today.
Getting started with your KitchenAid Artisan Mini Stand Mixer. While assembling your stand mixer, first make sure the mixer is unplugged and the speed is set to 0. Raise the tilt head and slide the locking lever to the locked position. Attach the bowl by placing it onto the stand mixer base and gently turn clockwise until it feels secure. Choose the accessory best for your recipe. The flat and flex edge beaters are best for normal to heavy mixtures. Use the wire whip for mixtures that require more air, or use the dough hook to mix and knead yeast doughs. With the tilt head still raised, attach your selected accessory onto the beater shaft. Slide the locking lever to the unlocked position and lower the tilt head. Slide the locking lever back to the locked position to secure. If using the pouring shield, place it onto the bowl with the pouring chute position to the right of the attachment hub. Add your ingredients into the bowl and turn your mixer on to the lowest speed setting to start. Gradually increase the speed to your desired setting. Lift up slightly and slide in either direction. When you're finished mixing, make sure the speed is set to 0. Remove the pouring shield and slide the locking lever to the unlocked position. Raise the tilt head, then slide the lever back to the locked position. Remove your accessory by pressing upward and turning clockwise to release it from the beater shaft. Gently turn the bowl counterclockwise and remove it from the stand mixer base. The KitchenAid Artisan Mini Stand Mixer. The perfect size for the recipes you crave. From KitchenAid.
Introducing the Chef Titanium Kitchen Machine from Kenwood, the KMC011. If you're a keen and experienced cook but revel in the challenge of preparing elaborate recipes, the Titanium is the ideal solution, delivering ergonomic simplicity and durability within a solid metal construction. This appliance boasts a powerful 1,400 watt motor and a generous 4.6 litre bowl, making it ideal for daily food preparation and entertaining. Regardless of its load, this Kenwood Titanium maintains speed and power. 4 power outlets offer unrivaled versatility. Choose the slow speed outlet for attachments to make sausages and pasta, medium speed for the food processor, or high speed for the blender attachment. This Chef Titanium kitchen machine uses total planetary mixing action within the bowl. This action helps to achieve perfect mixing results by ensuring all ingredients are picked up from the sides of the bowl, including a thermoresist blender, ideal for crushing ice or blending drinks, soups and dips, a Triton food processor, 3 stainless steel height-adjustable and dishwasher-safe mixing tools for specific tasks, a K-beater, wire whisk, dough hook and a rubberized creaming beater for soft mixtures. There are also over 20 optional attachments available to enable you to personalize your machine according to your requirements. Designed to make your culinary life easier, this kitchen machine uses a simple pop-up head lift, allowing for quick and easy tool change and bowl removal and splash guard. The Kenwood KMC011 Chef Titanium.
As every cook knows, nothing makes prepping and mixing your favorite recipes quicker and easier than using a high-quality stand mixer. And now, thanks to the best name in the business, you can simply and efficiently handle the heaviest mixing tasks with the newest stand mixer from Cuisinart. This powerful 500-watt stand mixer is made of sturdy die-cast metal construction and has 12 mixing speeds for superior precision. The tilt-back head allows for easy access to the mixing bowl, and the included splash guard makes it easy to add ingredients even during operation. The Cuisinart stand mixer comes with 3 accessories: a chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle that all operate with whisper-quiet performance. This machine goes beyond the typical cookies and mashed potatoes, including fluffy creams, whole wheat pasta and pizza dough, and spicy guacamole. There's no end to the convenient solutions this stand mixer delivers. And when your kitchen creativity requires it, you can easily add any of Cuisinart's easy-to-use attachments, like the pasta extruder, dessert maker, or meat grinder. The generous 5.5 quart work bowl comes in polished stainless steel and features an easy grip handle. Make up to 6 cups of cream, process 6 cups of flour, or even 5 dozen cookies. And save time cleaning up, as the bowl, paddle, and dough hook are 100% dishwasher safe. The stand mixer comes in silver, white, or red and is backed by a 3-year warranty. Why wait to simplify your cooking and baking food preparation? Bring home classic cooking convenience with the new Cuisinart stand mixer.
The KitchenAid Professional 600 Series Stand Mixer. A high-performance motor complements the 6-quart bowl, giving you the power needed for double, even triple batches. The stand mixer includes a wire whip, flat beater, and spiral dough hook. Our bowl lift design allows you to easily raise and lower the bowl while switching accessories. And a diverse collection of optional attachments give you additional ways to bring gourmet quality into your kitchen. The KitchenAid Professional 600 Series Stand Mixer. Professional power, exceptional results, and always classic KitchenAid quality.
Introducing the Artisan Series Tilt Head Stand Mixer with Premium Accessory Pack, available exclusively on KitchenAid.com. The KitchenAid Pastry Beater is a specialized beater for stand mixers that can substitute for a pastry cutter and tackle the challenging task of cutting cold butter into flour without melting. Not only that, this beater is great for everything from shredding meats to mashing potatoes. Also included in this bundle is our redesigned Secure Fit pouring shield. This shield snaps securely to your stainless steel bowl for a better fit. In this exclusive bundle, you'll find not only a custom KitchenAid Artisan Tilt Head Stand Mixer, but an array of special accessories, including a 5-quart 2-tone brushed stainless steel bowl, a 3-quart stainless steel bowl, subtle silver variations of the dough hook and flex edge beater, a wire whip, the pastry beater with silicone scraper, and Secure Fit pouring shield with improved fit. This exclusive bundle is available only on our website and includes a custom artisan stand mixer available in 9 striking colors. Visit KitchenAid.com today to choose yours. Explore stand mixer attachments, accessories, and more at KitchenAid.com.